Hello viewers, welcome to Needle Online. Today we are going to see 6 designs in fancy and regular wear dress materials, price ranging from 649 to 1449. All these products will be available in our website needle.com from 12 noon. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Today and tomorrow are holiday, so shipping will be done on Monday and WhatsApp queries will also be answered on Monday. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to the lighting used for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is slub silk cotton in beige color. We have a beautiful colorful embroidery work on the yoke. It's a machine embroidery. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is textured fabric in beige color in slub silk cotton, a lightweight fabric, and you can take a closer view of the work. Neatly done. The fabric is textured. It is thin, so lining is needed. It is teamed with dark peachish pink cotton bottom, and we have a beautiful dupatta in slub silk cotton with colorful embroidery all over. We have rich dupatta and beautiful fancy tassels. It's a beautiful piece, single color concept. The cost of the set is 1449. Next we are going to see dress materials, and we have restocked this design, and this is the second design. We are restocking it again. The fabric is silk cotton in pure white. We have a beautiful kardana work on the yoke. We also have French knot work highlighting it. Let us see how the complete set looks. The fabric is pure white in silk cotton fabric. We'll take a closer view of the work. Neatly done. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It's a pure white and it is teamed with pink silk cotton bottom, and this is a dupatta in organza fabric with beautiful colorful embroidery work done all over the dupatta. So this is the dupatta for this. It's a beautiful piece. We have 3 different colors. The base color white remains the same. The floral embroidery and the bottom color will vary. So this is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1349. It's a beautiful piece. Let us see the next color. So this is the next shade. We have maroon bottom for this, reddish maroon, and this is a dupatta in organza with beautiful embroidery work. The cost of the set is 1349. So this is the next one. The fabric is silk cotton in pure white. We have turquoise green bottom for this in silk cotton and organza dupatta with embroidery work. The cost of the set is 1349. You can buy all these products directly from our website needle.com from 12 noon today. Next we are going to see a fancy wear dress material. The fabric is jam cotton. This is a colorful digital printed yoke highlighted with foam mirror work. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a kind of tone to tone set. Top, bottom and dupatta are of same color. The fabric has little shine and colorful yoke with floral prints, and we also have foam mirror work done on the front side. In the daman we have digital printed patchwork. We have matching black cotton bottom and a beautiful colorful dupatta in soft silk cotton fabric. It's a digital printed one. It's a short width dupatta with beautiful prints on it. and tapings are provided on all four sides. This is a kind of stole dupatta. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1099. We have two colors in this, one in black, the other one in beautiful bottle green. It's not bottle green, sorry, a dark teal green. And with colorful digital printed yoke highlighted with 4 mirror work, the same design what we saw in the black one. And we have matching cotton bottom in dark teal blue, and this is a teal green and digital printed colorful dupatta in soft fabric. The cost of the set is 1099. It's a kind of stole like dupatta with tapings on all four sides. Next we are going to see a regular wear dress material in pure cotton which has ikat prints on it. It's dark grey color and this is printed all over. The fabric is soft and thin fabric, so lining is needed. And we have printed soft thin cotton bottom and it's steamed with printed mull cotton dupatta. And this is the print. It comes all over. It's kind of ikat printed. It's a regular wear dress material. The cost of the set is 649. And we do free shipping all over India. So this is the next color. It's all-time favorite black and white combination with ikat prints on it. The fabric is soft cotton. It is thin fabric, so lining is needed. We have black printed cotton bottom and mull cotton dupatta with beautiful prints. The cost of the set is 649. The next we have batik prints on it in red with black combination. All these are printed dress material in pure cotton, a soft and thin fabric. So this is the bottom and we just steamed with mull cotton dupatta, which is a printed one. The cost of the set is 649. The next design is also going to be in soft cotton with printed concept on it in dark fenugreek yellow. In the daman we have crochet lace work. The fabric is soft and thin, apt for regular use, which is printed all over. So this is the design, and in the daman we have crochet lace work. We have embroidered cotton bottom in white color, and we have a brush paint dupatta on chiffon fabric. And this is the dupatta for this, and lace tapings are provided. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 899. We have colors in this. Next color is a green color. The same prints what we saw now. Soft and thin cotton bottom. Sorry, a white cotton bottom with all over embroidery. And brush paint work on chiffon dupatta. Priced at 899, free shipping. We have one more color in the same print. We have red color. The fabric is pure cotton. We have white embroidered cotton bottom and brush paint work on chiffon dupatta. Next we are going to see a beautiful fancy wear dress materials. The fabric is silk cotton in beige color. We have all over embroidery. You can take a closer view. We have all over embroidery and zari thread work. And this is the daman portion with simple piping. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a festive wear collection in beautiful combination in silk cotton fabric. The color is kind of rich beige color. We have a beautiful jal work, as you can see here, all over the top and the front side. And this is the daman portion. It is plain at the back. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. It is teamed with blue, light blue silk cotton bottom and beautiful Banarasi woven dupatta in silk cotton fabric. And this is the dupatta for this, with traditional thread woven design with tassels in pastel blue shade. A beautiful color combination. The cost of the set is 1299. The next color combination, the top remains the same, the bottom and the dupatta will vary. So this is the next shade in same concept. The fabric is silk cotton and we have pink bottom for this and pink dupatta. It's Banarasi woven silk cotton dupatta. The cost of the set is 1299. The next we have with green combination. It's beige with green combination. And this is the bottom in light green and dupatta in light green with Banarasi woven concept. The cost of the set is 1299 and we do free shipping all over India. There's a beautiful thread work all over the top in silk cotton fabric in light and beige color. So we have peach silk cotton bottom. It's a dark peach and beautiful Banarasi woven silk cotton dupatta. First place today will be shipped on Monday and WhatsApp queries also will be answered on Monday. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.